Hey guys, what's up? It's Elise from thecrunchyginger.com, and today I want to share with you a super quick and easy no-sew cloth face mask. So before we get started with this, I just want to say I am not a medical professional, but everything I'm going to tell you is based on the best information and resources that I could find available. What we do know is that people who are infected with COVID-19 are generally contagious about 48 hours or 2 days before they know they're sick. And also, lots of people are asymptomatic. So the point of wearing a cloth face mask like this, which is not the same as a medical grade face mask, like an N95 mask or even the flat surgical masks that a doctor or a healthcare professional would wear, and those masks we need to make sure that we reserve for our frontline healthcare workers because they really need them. But for the rest of us, these kind of masks can be a good idea as based on the best evidence from lots of scientists and also from other countries like Hong Kong and South Korea that have really implemented everybody wearing even cloth face masks as a part of their coronavirus containment, flatten the curve strategy. So I'm going to share with you a way that you can make one at home with stuff you already have at home. It takes less than 1 minute, and this will give you a little bit of protection. The idea is that if a person is sick and they wear a mask and they cough or sneeze, it keeps other people from getting sick. So my mask protects you and your mask protects me. So you're going to need piece of cotton fabric. This is a bandana, but you could use any cotton fabric that's about 20 by 20. Tea towels are being recommended as a good fabric to use. Just scrap cotton fabric would work too. And you'll also need 2 hair ties, ponytail holders, or rubber bands will work as well. So you take your cotton piece of fabric and you're going to fold it in half towards the middle like this. And then you'll take your bottom half and fold it up towards the middle as well. Now you'll fold those pieces in half. So you've got a rectangle like this that is 4 pieces of fabric thick. So now you'll take both ends and fold them kind of in thirds towards the middle. This is going to be your face mask part. You'll take your 2 elastics, slip one of them onto one end, using your fold here as kind of a marker for where that should go, and then do the same thing on the other side. So slip this one on this way to about where your fold was. Now you can adjust this depending on the size of your face, but thirds like this works for my face size. So there you go, you've made your little mask. If you'd like, you can tuck this extra fabric, if there is any, into itself like that, so it's a little bit neater on the inside. And then you just slip these pieces over your ears. And so you'll want this to come to the bridge of your nose, and this is going to need to come below your chin. And there's your face mask. And when you take it off, you're going to want to remove it without touching it, because it's highly possible that this could be now contaminated if you've worn it out to the grocery store or someplace else essential that you are going. Still maintain your social distance. And you want to drop this directly into your laundry, and then you should wash your hands. So all of this to say, this is not to make you feel bold and make you go have a party and not maintain your social distance, but this is just an added measure that we can do to maybe help each other out. So I can help you and you can help me. We can all protect our grocery store and pharmacy workers and leave the medical grade masks for the medical professionals who are risking their lives to be on the front lines for us. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope that you found this helpful. If you need more information, head on over to thecrunchyginger.com. There's a blog post about this with some helpful resources and links. If you want to find more ways to live a little greener and save a little money, follow me on Instagram at thecrunchyginger. And I thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Be well.